In our previous video, we already discussed about properties of addition. And in today's video, you will learn about properties of subtraction. So, let's begin. Subtraction. The answer of subtraction is called the difference. The number from which we subtract is called the minuend. The number that we subtract is called the subtrahend. For example, if we subtract 20 from 50, we get 30. 30 is the difference, 20 is the subtrahend, and 50 is called the minuend. Then properties of subtraction. First property is property of 0. If 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 52 minus 0 is equal to 52. If a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 52 minus 52 is equal to 0. Note, if 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the given number. For example, 25 minus 1 equal to 24. Here 24 is the predecessor of 25. That's all for today. Bye-bye.